Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.